Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Cooking Time with Daniela. This is what we have to cook, or everything we have to cook today here. We are cooking yam. I think this yam come from Jamaica. Jamaica yam we have to cook today. Okay, and this plantain and potato. Yeah, so this is what we are using: the eggs and leftover fish, little spinach, and this bell pepper, onions, and this only 2 tomatoes. So I will just be cutting them, start cutting the bell pepper and the spinach. So I will just be taking off the plantain back, then I'll peel the yam. Yeah, it's white inside. Yeah, just peeling the yam. Good. Not spoil inside though. That's good. Okay, I think this one will stay longer in the final yam safe. So let's put this one inside. I will just put 1 tin of spoon of salt, like 2 on the yam. Covered. Start the stove. So this I will start frying now. So this is what I'm using today. That's spicy, the pepper, the hot one. And these ones are the bell pepper. So the eggs, we just crack the egg and yeah. So the onions is inside here, tomatoes and the bell pepper. So I will just put them all in. You don't have to wait for the oil to be hot. Just add the fish to it too. Any kind of fish you can do it, or even if you have a chicken or even dessert, you can do that too. This is the spicy. Just add all of that together. Just stir and give time. Just cover it. Okay, let's see. Yeah, to cook well depends on you if you want the everything to cook well before putting something. That's fine. I'm just putting this seasoning. Yes, that little salt. That salt could be enough. See the egg. It's the egg. I don't want the egg to stay one place. I just keep stirring it, right? I think no sticky pan or no sticky pot will be better in this kind of sauce. The yam is doing well as well. Just boil it there. Yeah. Just leave the yam for a while. And I will be cooking the spinach with the sauce. Yeah, yeah. I can eat rice with this one though. And even swallow. I believe I can. I can eat swallow with this one. You just know how to be cooking stew all the time, or same thing all the time. So you can just use one or two things to change the way you eat your swallow or rice or anything you eat. Yeah, so look for it. So this yam is ready. I will be just taking them out from the pot and then put them inside the bowl. This is the sauce and Jamaica yam and plantain. So yeah, we're done. So you can also use this sauce to eat maybe swallow or any kind of rice you want to eat, or even spaghetti itself. So yeah, see you next week. We appreciate you for subscribing. If you are just watching and you never subscribed for our YouTube channel before, please subscribe and share and like it for us. Remember to share with your friends and family, even your enemy. Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, this is the one we have today. Thank you. Bye.